All the participants to please mute their mics.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everybody. Shubhi, I have sent you one message. Please check.
Yes, ma'am, I'll check. Ma'am, I did not receive any message from your side.
Asked you to give me permission to record the meeting.
I haven't got any request to record meetings, so can you please try again?
Okay, I send it again. Please, it's coming. Please request recording permission from the meeting host. That's what. So where do I do it?
Shubhi, if that doesn't work, then I think you can transfer. You can make Shubhra ma'am the host because she has to attend the record the meeting.
You can try now. I've allowed you to record the meeting.
If she makes Subra ma'am the host, then ma'am will only have to judge and side by side,
Yeah.
make sure that everybody is muted and all of that.
It's okay, I've allowed her to record the meeting, so ma'am, you can try now.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Is it working?
Yes.
Okay.
I can see, yeah, it's working now.
Okay, should be all good?
Yeah. Just waiting for everyone to join in, then we'll start.
Everyone, all the spectators to please switch off their mics. And please switch on your cameras, everyone. We're just waiting for everyone to be here before we start. Tanvi, you're supposed to switch on your mic. You're one of the candidates. Am I audible to everyone? Just respond with a thumbs up. Okay, so I think we have a good number, so we can start with the round.
So before we start, I would like to first thank you all for taking your time and being a part of this round. So this is the speech round for the Student Council elections of 2020-21. And like usually we have this.
We can't hear you now. We can't hear you now.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, just keep it the same way you did it right now.
Okay, ma'am. So usually we have this round in the form of a assembly, and easier for us, but due to the current circumstances, we are supposed to do it online. So it's a new experience for all of us, and I hope you all will cooperate. So before we start, I would like to introduce all the judges for the day. All the judges for the judge panel for the day consists of four lovely ladies from the school staff. So they are Alisha ma'am, Nandini ma'am, Meenu ma'am, and Shubhra ma'am. So thank you ma'am for joining us today.
My pleasure.
Thank you. Our pleasure. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you. So before we move
Thank
on
you.
to the speeches, I would like to set a few rules for the meeting that we'll observe throughout the meeting. The basic one being, if the meeting ends abruptly, everyone is supposed to join back. And for today, we will have three speakers. We'll have Sagar Sachdeva, Shreyasi Banik, and Tanvi Manocha. During the meeting, everyone's cameras will be on and the mics will be off. Only the judges and the participants are allowed to keep their mics on. And this is a recorded session, so please, everyone is requested to be at their best behavior. The questions from the audience will be taken through the chat. So if you have any questions, then you can send it. Or if you have any questions, like in case the chat is not working, you can raise your hands. Then only 2 people will be allowed to ask questions per candidate. The speakers, each speaker will get 2 minutes to speak, and which will be followed by questions from the judges and then the audience. Am I clear? Are there any doubts before we start?
Excuse me, I'm an 8th grader instead of a participant. I'm Tanvi Bhaiya, not Tanvi Manoja. So if there's a confusion,
Oh,
I'm
that's
actually an attendee and not a participant.
Okay. So everyone is supposed to mute their mics. So for the first speaker for the day will be Sagar Sachdeva.
May I start?
You can, Sagar. You go ahead.
क्यों डरे कि जिंदगी में क्या होगा, हर वक्त क्यों सोचे बुरा होगा, बढ़ते रहें बस मंजिल की ओर, कुछ मिले ना मिले तजुर्बा तो नया होगा. Good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Sagar Sachdeva and I will be standing for the post of sports captain and environment captain. To begin with, I do first like to list out a few reasons as to why I think I'm eligible for the post of sports captain. From the very beginning, I have been an active participant in all house events and sports events. I have taken the best advantage of all opportunities that have been available to me and put my 101% effort. I have a passion of sports, and I want to share this passion with every student of our school. And I have vision and direction to lead my school in and achieve a lot in sports. From being one of those lost in their own case to being able to have the courage and speak in front of you all, I owe this to my school. I owe this to my house. I owe this to the past few house captains and sports captains and my housemates, who have transformed the fat and slow Sagar to this sports person standing before you. In class 8, I participated in my first sports day. In my first run, which was 400 meter, I secured first position along with third position in 200 meters and long jump. In class 9, I secured second position in 400 meters and third position in 800 meter and long jump, competing and winning from my seniors, which was a great achievement for me. I also won first position in basketball and relay in class 8 as well as class 9. I have been playing football for schools since class 4. The previous year, my school secured second position in football zonals. I was also called to play interzonal from another school. My team also secured 5th position in CBSE under-19 football cluster. Apart from being a sports person, I'm also concerned about my environment. In class 10th, I spent a lot of hours in gardening in school during my staybacks. I'm also an active participant in all the school campaigns which are held in school and outside for environment purposes. Being a sports person, I'm disciplined, dedicated, and have a competitive nature. My game has taught me the art of time management and commitment, which has made me eligible for the post of sports captain. Apart from sports, I have also participated in house days, youth parliaments, and NCC camps. Well, enough of this sugar-coated things. Let's talk about my weaknesses. I have stage fear. I get nervous before any final event. I am sympathetic and I improvise in the end moment. And the big part is I'm working on them to become a better human being. For me, the post of sports captain is much more than just a badge, popularity, fancy title, or the royal blue uniform which comes along. I want to use this platform to help and encourage my friends as the past few captains have done for me. I want to continue this legacy and secure this position so that I can bring a drastic change in few lives. I would like to end my speech with another quote. मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भर के जेबों में आशाएं है दिल में अरमान ही आज कुछ कर जाएं धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, Sagar, for the speech. Now we'll have the questions from the judges. So on to you, judges. Would you like to ask any questions from the judges?
Can't hear you.
Can't hear you at all.
Now it's time for the questions from the judges. So if they have any questions, they can unmute themselves and ask the particular candidate the question.
So should I start?
Yes, ma'am, go ahead.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Sagar.
Namaste, ma'am.
Sagar, can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes,
Namaste.
ma'am.
Okay, so you've listed a whole lot of achievements and things that you've done in sports, and as an environment captain, how aware you are and how concerned you are. So since you've participated in a lot of events, can you recollect any one situation where the situation has become really, really stressful for everyone on the team, and what have you done to prevent the situation from going out of hand?
Ma'am, there is a situation. The previous year when we went for CBSE under-19 football, we had our quarter-final match with Modern School, Modern Mamta. That's a very nice team, and that was a very nice match to play with them. So it was very stressful match, and everyone out. We were very tired of the match. It was very kind of very stressful. So in the end, we got 30 minutes more to play because the score was equal. So me and my senior Dave, we encouraged the team to play. We hadn't talked with Ashish Gupta, our coach. So that was a very nice experience for me. I got very much a lot of things to learn from my coach and Dave, our the team captain.
Thank you, Sagar.
Any other
May I ask you a question?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Okay, which sports person do you idolize and why? Which sports person?
It's obviously Messi. Because
okay, why?
He's playing since childhood, and I've seen his many videos from childhood, how he practices and how he plays match. So it's very, I get to learn a lot from him.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, Shubhi, go ahead.
Alicia ma'am and Nandini ma'am, do you have any questions before we move on?
You spoke well, Sagar. I want to ask you, you in your speech, you mentioned about a lot of your achievements, and you were selected for, some under 17 or some football cluster and so on. And I have been your class teacher last year, and I have observed you closely, and you are really passionate about sports. That's very nice. But, what do you think? What are the responsibilities of a sports captain? You did mention that you would be motivating students and so on, right? But and you also mentioned that it's not about the badge or the position or the uniform. You never had uniform or badge over these years, or so did you motivate anyone?
I have motivated my classmates to play football or basketball in the sunny weather when the sun is overhead. So many of them sit in the shed or they play table tennis. So I have motivated them to play with me in the field. And also I would like to say that I want to use this post and encourage every student from our school. And ma'am, the very first method of achieving my goal would be to reach out to as many people as possible and try my best to push them and encourage them to give a try by talking to them or to make them realize the importance of sports and the contribution to our houses. Ma'am, after all, a little extra effort and a promise of holding hands till the end to move together for a change will be more than enough to boost up the confidence and encourage them to be a part of this extraordinary journey.
Thank you so much, Sagar. Now we'll move on to questions from the audience. Those who are willing to ask questions can raise their hand through through the Zoom app, and then we'll entertain 2 questions. Utkrisha, you can go ahead and ask your question.
Hello, Sagar Bhaiya. I really like the way you gave your speech and you delivered your thoughts. But I would like to ask you a question. I'm not the type of person who really is into sports. So how can you encourage me to play sports and, be very attentive and participate in these events?
The very first method would be I would show you some videos of how people have been playing and how they practice, and to start to bring interest in you about sports. Then I would want you to practice on your own at home, or we will start some school practice also. Like in PT, we can have half an hour workout and half an hour of play. So I will look forward in if I become the sports captain.
I want to say something, Shubhi. May I just ask something?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Sagar, sorry, but Sagar, you mentioned in the PT period half 30 minutes would be this and 30 minutes would be this. I think Utkrisha is in a different class, and your PT periods would be very different from hers.
No, ma'am.
So how do you make sure? That means you're going to request
no, it's not that.
Okay.
There's some confusion, ma'am. I would talk to ma'am, like Priyanka ma'am. What she do is that she spent half an hour in workouts, like doing workouts as a cadet do, and then she allow us to play. So I will talk to PT period teachers, and I will talk to them about how they can encourage them to do workouts, and then they allow them to play.
So do we have any other questions for Sagar from the audience? Okay, so thank you so much, Sagar, for that wonderful speech. Now we'll move on to Shreyasi Banik. Sagar, you can mute yourself now.
May I start?
Yeah, go ahead.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. I'm Shreyasi Banik from class 11C, Chevrolet House, standing for the post of Vice Sports Captain and Vice Environment Captain. So firstly, I would like to tell why you should vote me as a prefect. Well, I fulfill all my responsibilities. I do my work with all dedication. I always try to help and motivate others. And also, I'm honest towards my own self and the others. These all being my strengths too, I have some weaknesses. Like, I have a creative discontent which makes me sad sometimes. And also, I overthink a lot. I'm trying my best to overcome these and to change them to my strengths. Then, coming to the point why I want to be a prefect. So, well, that's because memories has shaped me into a better individual. It has given me a chance to explore myself. I really want to serve the school and all of you till every extent I can. Next, I'll speak a little bit about the posts and statistics. Firstly, talking about the post of the Vice Environment Captain, I've always been conscious about the environment. I've always tried my best to put my efforts for the betterment of the environment. And I really want the others to do the same, as it is much needed. Then, talking about the post of Vice Sports Captain, I think I'm suitable for the post because I myself am a sports person. So I have the experience of winning and losing it all. Because of which I know how to move on when you lose and how to move ahead when you win. This gives me the capability of understanding, motivating, and guiding others. Then finally, I would like to end by quoting John Quincy Adams. If your actions inspire others to dream more, to learn more, to do more, and to become more, you are a leader. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreyasi, for that speech. Now we'll move on to questions from the judges.
Shreyasi, can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
All right. That is a nice introduction. I wanted to know, so in this era where we have a lot of digitalization coming into picture, and most of the youngsters, even adults for that matter, are getting glued to the different electronic gadgets that we have. I was wondering that how will you motivate the students to engage themselves into these physical activities and these competitions, also trying to strike a balance between their studies? I mean, how would you motivate these students?
Thank you for the question, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. We are having the PT classes, the online PT classes too. Just today also, we had one PT period. So I would like if at least once a week, we'll have this online PT classes so that the PT teachers can show us the exercise and then we can follow that. Then I also noticed today that some of the students are not participating in the PT class. So I would want
I think, Shreyasi, there's something wrong with the network. We are unable to hear you.
Shreyasi, can you come closer to the mic?
Yes.
It says your bandwidth, network bandwidth is low.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, better.
So I think that we are having PT classes, online PT classes just today. So I would want, like, it would be better if we have these PT classes at least once a week so that the PT teachers can show us the exercises and we can also follow that just this week. And also notice that some of the students were not participating. So for them, we need to and talk to them. And it will be like they will also participate, I'm sure. If we show them the benefits of exercising and the cons of not doing
Shreyasi, I'm sorry to interrupt, but you're not audible right now.
Can I put my video?
Yeah. What we can do is we'll move ahead with the second speaker. We'll take your questions once we are over with the next speaker. So until then, you can fix the problem with the network connection. Is that fine? Okay.
Yes.
So we'll continue with the question session once we are done with Tanvi's speech and question session. Okay. So now can we have Tanvi Manocha? Tanvi, are you there in the meeting?
She is not there in the meeting. I think.
Isn't in the meeting.
Tanvi isn't there in the meeting. Tanvi isn't a part of this meeting, so. Pushpinda ma'am, are you there? Okay, so maybe we'll continue with
Okay, I want to ask Shreyasi one question.
Yeah, we can continue with Shreyasi and we'll see if Tanvi comes or not.
Shreyasi, now during this COVID time, all the big sports events have got cancelled, isn't it?
Yes.
So during this time, like what would you suggest? Or maybe what I want to ask that if any sports person is getting retired on this year, suppose this year, and this has got cancelled. So what are the possibilities or what guidelines can be laid down for the sports person, so that any two guidelines which helps the sports person to continue further?
We can try
during this COVID time, during this COVID-19 time, I'm asking.
Thank you for the question, ma'am. So we can, so that like we can make them believe that they can do more, like they can perform, like they can also perform the next year, and not like it's okay that they're not able to perform this year. It's like it's completely okay, and they do not need to take their retirement this year. They can also perform the next year. Because retirement is not
you are not audible actually.
We can't hear anything.
See, maybe you can try using a pair of headphones. Maybe that will help.
Yes.
Okay.
Shreyasi, are you ready?
Am I audible now?
Yeah, Tanvi. Yeah, Shreyasi, go ahead.
Am I audible now?
Yes, Shreyasi. Shreyasi, do you want the question to be repeated?
Shreyasi, you keep your video off, but I think that can help us a little. Keep your video off, and you were audible last time. Try speaking one more time with your video off.
Hello, I'm audible now.
Shubhi, why don't you write the question and send it to her in chat? Maybe she's able
Ma'am,
to
the
see
chat
it.
has
There is
been
a lag.
disabled for the meeting, so the chat option is not available for anyone.
You as a host will not be able to send a message to her?
Yes, ma'am, it's been disabled for everyone.
Okay, okay.
Yes, you can try switching off your video and it. Yeah, see?
Yes.
Try switching off a video and then you can answer the question.
Okay.
Do you want the question to be repeated or you're fine?
Repeat it.
Ma'am, can you please repeat your question?
Okay, I repeat, during this COVID time, many big events have been postponed or cancelled. So many players are on the verge of retiring and maybe are not able to play because of some of this reason or maybe. So what guidelines should be put for the benefit of the players, since you are a sports person by heart? Suggest any two guidelines.
Thank you for the question, ma'am. So we can just talk to them, like to tell them that it's okay that they are not able to participate this year. Like it's natural, it's happening everywhere. And they can also participate the very next year. We can show them how retirement is not related to this age. It depends on how the person is fit or not. If the person's body is able to play, then the person can play. So we need to show them that they can participate the next year and to motivate them and encourage them.
Do we have any other questions from the judges?
Tanvi, I would like you to, go back to the question that I had asked. Do you want me to repeat the question? Because I think you were
Yes,
not audible.
ma'am.
So I said in this era where we have digitalization taking over everywhere, and we have a lot of youngsters and adults as well gluing ourselves with different kind of gadgets. How would you motivate the students, being the sports captain? I mean, how would you motivate the students to engage themselves in physical activities and participate in the sports events?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. And I'm Shrasi, not Tanvi. You called me Tanvi.
Sorry, Vita. Sorry, Tracy. Sorry.
And for this question, we are having the PT classes nowadays. The middle school is having, and we also had it today, the first PT class. So that's beneficial. I would like if we are having these classes at least once a week. But today I also noticed that some people were not participating. Some of them were not they were not connected to the Zoom app, and some of them were not participating. So for that, I would like to them and to encourage them and showing them the pros and cons of participating and not participating in this. For participating in the physical activities given by the school.
Okay, so
but what is, I mean,
am I audible?
Yes, Tracy, you're audible.
Yes, better, yeah.
Would you like to ask more questions?
Can I go ahead?
Yes, Sam.
Yeah. Hello, Shreyasi. So you've talked about what you've achieved over the years, but is there something that you've done outside of the campus, outside of school life, where you've been in the, you've taken up a leadership role? Is there anything that you've done like that?
Not a leadership role, but I participated in dance activities and art competitions. And within the school, I participated more, but outside the school, I participated in dance activities. Then there, I think I have shown some leadership qualities like helping others and helping them to dance even better, like the ones who are not able to. And I've also it's not I've also went for drawing competitions, art competitions. There I don't think so I've shown some leadership quality, but I have participated there.
Okay, but nothing related to your the sports or environment.
Yes,
you're talking about art and dancing.
For sports, yes, I also remember that I outside the school, I went to basketball academy. I used to learn basketball. So there I have shown some leadership qualities like playing basketball when I play basketball.
Okay, thank you, Shreya.
Okay, now we'll move on to the questions from the audience. So anyone who's willing to ask questions can raise their hands digitally and not. Okay, Sagar, you can go ahead and ask Shreyasi a question.
Shreyasi?
Yes.
Shreya, since we are in the same house and we meet before our races and after our races also, so whenever I meet you before your race, you are quite dismotivated because of the competitors which are also going to run with you in the race. So do you think you can encourage other students and motivate them while you are yourself demotivated?
It's not that I am demotivated. I'm just a little bit scared because as I've said in my weaknesses too, that I haven't created this content, which means that I want to perform better and better. So which makes me sometimes sad. So it's just that, and I motivate others I wish all the best and best of luck to the other competitors too who are in the other houses who are competing against me. It's just that I myself seem to be I look like I'm very demotivated, but it's not like that. I motivate the others too. I guess you have not seen that. So.
Thank you so much, Sagar, for the question. Is there anyone else who's willing to ask any questions? Anyone else from the audience who would like to ask questions? No? Okay, so we'll move forward. We just got an update from Tanvi Manocha and she won't be able to speak today since she's unwell. So we'll try and accommodate her some other time. So this will be the end of this meeting. Thank you so much all for being a part of this. And thank you judges for taking out time and being a part of this meeting and help us conduct this meeting smoothly. Thank you so much.
A pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shubhi.
You also did a good fab job.
Thank you.
Good work, Shubhi.
Good work, Shubhi. Everybody.
Thank you, ma'am.